Hey there, and welcome to BrandEdit.ai, where we bring you fresh, fun, and AI-powered strategies to help your med spa stand out in a sea of same. I'm your host, Deb Menke, and I've been in the aesthetics industry for many years. I've been in the game long enough that my platinum locks come with a whole lot of wisdom, and I'm ready to drop some of that knowledge with you today. Today, we're diving into one of my favorite topics, how to differentiate your med spa when everyone seems to be offering the same treatments. And guess what? We've got a secret weapon, AI. So let's get into it. Grab your cup of coffee or maybe your favorite face mask or jade roller, and let's have some fun. All right, so here's the thing. Med spas aren't just about offering the latest treatments anymore. Clients today want more than just results. They're looking for a complete sensory experience, something that engages their mind, body, and spirit. Gone are the days of sterile clinical environments. It's all about creating a relaxing, luxurious experience that leaves clients feeling rejuvenated inside and out. But here's the kicker. Creating these amazing experiences is only half the battle. The other half, capturing those moments and sharing them on social media in a way that hooks your audience and makes them want to book with you. Quick break, spa lovers. I've got to tell you about the OxyVerve device. If you're not using this in your med spa, you're seriously missing out. It's not just a treatment, it's a sensory experience. We're talking 7 steps of pure bliss that combine oxygenation, advanced skincare, and sensory indulgence to give your clients that glow they won't stop talking about. The best part? OxyVerve is a game changer when it comes to differentiating your spa. In a sea of same, this device offers a one-of-a-kind treatment journey that keeps clients coming back for more. Trust me, it's a must-have for your spa menu. All right, back to the good stuff. Now let's talk social media. I know. TikTok, Instagram, Pinterest, so many platforms, so little time, right? But here's the thing. You don't have to be everywhere. You just need to be where your clients hang out. And thank goodness AI can help you figure that out. Think about it. If you've got a younger, beauty-obsessed crowd, TikTok's your playground. If you're serving up those luxury facials for clients who love the finer things, Instagram and Pinterest are going to be your best friends. AI tools can tell you exactly where your clients are and how to reach them. It's like having a crystal ball, but a little less spooky and way more accurate. Okay, I've got to say it. If you're not using video yet, what are you waiting for? It's the star of social media right now. And guess what? You don't need a Hollywood budget to make it happen. Just get your phone, film some behind the scenes clips, showcase a treatment in action, or get your clients to share their experiences. The more real and authentic, the better. And don't worry about keeping up with the posting. AI's got your back again. Tools like Buffer or Hootsuite can schedule your posts while you're busy making people feel fabulous. Plus, they even tell you the best time to post. Seriously, it's like having a virtual assistant who works 24/7 and never steals your snacks. Okay, listen, I know we all need to sell treatments, but let's get real. Nobody likes a salesy social media feed. You've got to mix it up. Drop some skincare tips, share some wellness hacks, or highlight something cool from your spa, like a comfort care menu featuring Corganics Clinical CBD. You want your clients to think, wow, I'm learning something and I'm being pampered. AI tools can help you whip up awesome content that keeps it authentic and fun without feeling like you're pushing a product all day long, because honestly, who wants that? All right, here's where we tie it all together. Your social media game shouldn't exist on its own island. You've got to connect the dots across email marketing, blogs, and even ads. AI tools can help you create a seamless strategy to make your brand unforgettable. From personalized emails to automated blog posts, you can get all this content working together like a perfectly synchronized dance. And guess what? You don't even need to lift a finger. Well, maybe a few. All right, so here's the question of the day. How are you standing out in this sea of same? Every med spa is offering treatments, but it's the way you present your brand and engage with your clients that'll make you unforgettable. Unforgettable. AI is your secret weapon to creating a brand experience that's unique, authentic, and totally you. And hey, if you're ready to take things up a notch, let's talk. At brandedit.ai, we help aesthetic companies and entrepreneurs refresh their brand, architect their image, and leverage the power of AI. Let's get that brand of yours shining bright. Life's too short for boring brands.